We're at Southland Charity Hospital. It's about minus 45 degrees and I'm still defrosting and it's midday.
My name is Melissa Vining and I am the founder of the Southland Charity Hospital. When my husband was 38, he was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer and given 6 to 8 weeks to live, and wasn't able to get an appointment at the hospital to see an oncologist within that time frame. So we set about starting our own hospital, which sounded crazy at the time, but the people of our community have just all worked together and will provide this service to those that can't get it in the public hospital or can't afford it privately.
We're here with a great bunch of builders. We're building a deck, but we're just installing a kitchen inside at the moment as well. This room here that Mitre is sponsoring is going to be a multi-use space, so people that are waiting for treatment or appointments, or if they want to have family gatherings in there, it's going to be a community space.
So being proudly locally owned and operated in our local communities, Helping Hands is our way to make sure we can do our part for community groups and non-for-profit organisations.
Helping Hands, 'tis what it says, you know, it's basically Kiwis helping Kiwis, and you know, you invest back in the place that you live, you know, you're going to get a lot of rewards back too.
I think like all New Zealanders, we were just captivated by Blair's journey and the incredible commitment that Melissa's made to build this hospital. Here we go.
Oh wow, she was so beautiful.
Melissa is an incredibly tenacious woman and a lovely New Zealander, and it felt only right that we should all do something as Southlanders to play our part.
I take my hat off to her, you know, because the whole of Southland have got on board on this. I think she's doing an amazing job championing this project.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're more than welcome.
So good. It's so much better than I
It is our absolute pleasure. We've been able to supply the kitchen, the appliances, the paint, and then on an ongoing basis, this will be known as the Mitre Community Multi-Purpose Room, and we'll give a small sponsorship here so that this will help with the ongoing maintenance of this room as well.
Tracy and her team in Invercargill have supported us throughout the entire time, giving us space in the store, helping us out with anything that we've asked for. To have their commitment year on year to sponsor that room and the upkeep of that room takes a huge weight off the fundraising team.
I really just wanted to say a special thanks to the local contractors who have helped us when we sent out an SOS, and particularly our suppliers, both Invercargill based and across New Zealand, who helped us. We couldn't have done this project without you, and your support has just been outstanding. I love days like this, and it's even more special when Stan comes down to help us. We love having him down here in the deep south.
It's so rewarding, you know, working on these charity projects, and because I've said it a million times before, everyone works 120%, you know, it's absolutely freezing here today, and these guys don't care, they're in here ripping into it. I like it down here, the weather's quite interesting, isn't it? It starts out cold, and as the day comes along, it gets colder.
Yeah, I'm a brave Southlander. We wear shorts and short sleeves all year round.
The feedback from the community and from the medical professionals is just so positive, and you know, we're just so grateful that everybody's got behind it to make it a reality.